Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to look and see how we can insert a picture watermark right in here in this Microsoft Word document here. Very important. First, you want to come up here to the insert. So we're going to click on the insert. Right. Let me shift this down a little. Now we're going to click on the design instead. Right here. So when I click on the design right here to bring down the ribbon right here. Right. So when you bring down ribbon right here, if you notice right up here, so watermark right here. So you want to click on the little pointer. Right. So when you click on the little pointer, what will happen? You will see it display. Right. Now you see it display. Right. You notice you see all of these right here. Very important right here. See all of these watermark right here. Confidential right here. Add more. This is custom watermark. All right. If I'm going to click on custom watermark, when I click on custom watermark, definitely this little box going to appear right here. All right. So that we can make different adjustments. If you notice, this little dialog box, we can actually move it up and put it where we want it. Right here. So if you notice right up here, it's a picture watermark. So I'm going to click right in the box here. And notice right here, it says select picture. So I'm going to click to select a picture. Notice it bring me up to this particular window here. So please wait. It's a work offline. Right here, can actually click it and actually removing. So very important right here. So notice, right? So I'm going to click right here. So this is going to take me to my desktop, right? So I'm going to select this one right here. Right? So it's very important. All you do that, I come select this one right here. And then I click on insert. And notice when I click on insert, definitely notice right here. It show you auto, it show you right here. Wash out. So I'm going to uncheck that. Right. If you notice right here, I can actually change the size. I can come right here and click on apply. But if you notice when I click on apply, you notice you see right down here it says small. Right. I'm going to move it from 200. Right. To put it to that. Here, I'm going to click on apply. You notice right here. If I go back again, you notice this is auto and different scale that we can actually do that right here. So put it 500, press apply, then close it. Right, just go to document. So this is exactly how you put the watermark right here in the document. You go back again. You can also select it and make a different adjustment. You can actually put password if you want it. Right, you notice. You can come right here. You can actually put text. Definitely, if you wanted to do just the same, you can put text right here. Otherwise, very important. You put a text in you can say all about computer. There. Notice when I put that right there, you can come right here, so you can change the size just the same. You can put it to 90. You can actually come here and change the color. So not on the picture alone, you can actually put right there, press apply. You notice the seat right here and close it. And there you go. You notice? So you can actually do that just the same. But if you want the picture one just the same, you go back again and click on watermark. Come right here, so click on picture one, you select just the same and come back up here. You want to come back up here now, definitely. You can actually select any one of these, click this one right here. Alright, and you're going to click on insert. Alright, so when you click on insert, if you notice, apply, click on auto, 500, click on apply, definitely, they close. If you notice, this is it. Notice we can tap the wash out. In order to change that, you go back again. Look at it. This is it for the wash out. You uncheck that and click on apply. If you notice, if you uncheck it, you see it like that, close it. So this is how you actually add it. So hope you have learned something from this video here. Thanks for watching. See you next video.